In this video, I'll show you how to fix dynamic wallpaper not working on your iPhone, especially on iOS 18. So you want to follow these steps. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is go into your setting on your iPhone and then ensure that under accessibility, under motion setting, that you have reduced motion turned off the setting. If you have this turned on, it will reduce motion such as dynamic wallpaper. So we need to ensure that is turned off. Now, after you have turned that off, the next thing you want to verify in your main settings here, it's going to be for your battery. So go ahead and find your battery setting up here. And then you're going to ensure that low power mode is turned off. And the reason why that is, because when you have low power mode turned on, things like dynamic animation and changes will be reduced or limited. So we need to turn that setting off. And finally, the last thing you want to check is that you're using actual dynamic wallpaper itself. So in order to check that, if you go into your wallpaper, click on Customize here, you want to go ahead and check that. The one that you're using here says Dynamic 1, and if it doesn't, it's not going to work. As you can see here, the Dynamic 1, you can see the colors are changing on this wallpaper as we're speaking here, and that's a Dynamic 1. That will be the thing that you need to check. So check that out. And if you don't see this one right here, just click on Add a new wallpaper, and then on iOS 18, if you go down a little bit further, usually the dynamic one, it's going to be the very last one here. And then you're going to want to swipe to find dynamic. And if you don't find it, select any other one. As long as you want to swipe, it says dynamic. You're going to hit done after. If you want to add some widget or make any customization, and then click on set as wallpaper. And we can lock the phone and we should see the dynamic wallpaper taking effect on our iPhone. So that's how you do it. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video. And for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.